Hey guys, how's it going? Andy Patlan out here in San Antonio. We just picked up our latest investment, a 2-bedroom, 2-bath duplex on each side, 2222 A and B. Awesome duplex. It's gonna need some love, it's gonna need some work, but it's what we do all day, every day. Let me show you what we have inside. We're looking to put these on the market for about 11 or 1200 on each side. Don't get scared. This is what we do. Put it back on market and you won't know the difference. I want to show you guys the before and the after. So this is what we pick up as a foreclosure, guys. They usually leave the house a mess. They take whatever they can with them and leave the rest for us. So we're gonna have to come in here and put a little love into it. We're gonna have to paint it. We're gonna have to redo the flooring. But none of this is anything that we would consider major. We're not knocking down walls. We're not having to put any additions. This is gonna be a really, what I would call a light remodel. Paint, carpet, fix some windows, fix some cracks, and then come back and put it on market. As we say in Spanish, papitas. Easy work. We'll put it back on market in about 2 to 3 weeks on the first side, 2 to 3 weeks on the other. So we're looking to be in here about 6 to 8 weeks. Again, 2 on each side. We've got some cracks in the ceiling that we're gonna fix up. I'll tell you one thing, we did walk the roof right now. Roof is in great shape. So we've got a brand new roof up there that we're gonna be able to turn around, and insurance isn't going to give us a hard time about the roof, which is sometimes with these foreclosures, what ends up happening is the roof doesn't pass the insurance inspection and we have to come around and put a new roof. Not the case here, brand new roof on top. 2-2, take out the trash, repaint, put new flooring, and this thing is going to shine. Again, 11 to 1200 on each side, and we're going to be rocking and rolling. I'll show you the other side real quick, but a gorgeous duplex right off of Nacogdoches 410 area in San Antonio. And we've actually been waiting for this one. We've been waiting for this one since October. We lost the first round of bids on this one. We came back around, we held steady. The other investor couldn't close it, we did. Very well located, centrally located. This one's in a bit better shape. Here we're gonna do a carpet clean, we're gonna do an interior paint, and we'll put it back on market. So this one's a little bit larger, square footage wise, but it's a 2-2 all the way around. Let me show you the yard. Beautiful yard, 1960s character. We picked this one up for $175, putting it back on market. Gonna be collecting about $2,500, $2,400 in rent once it's all said and done. Guys, this is what I do all day, every day. I want to bring these investments to you. If you guys are looking to get into the investment game, whether it's buy, hold, rent it out, buy, flip, get it sold, I'm going to be your guy. Call me, 512-784-0048. Ya sabes, hablamos español.